Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. Today I'm going to be going over my Power Lead System income proof and results for the week. I do these every week. I've been doing it since about, I believe it's September 2017. You can actually go back on my channel or my blog, paulgfarmer.com, and check that out if you like to see my progress. I've been documenting it the whole time. If you don't know what Power Lead System is, it is a marketing tools and training suite. Basically, it is designed to be used for any business, any service, any product to help them get more leads and make more sales. That's the main thing. So no matter what you're doing, you can definitely benefit from Power Lead System. Now I'm going to do my best to keep this short. I just completed a workout and I am a little bit shaky actually. Exercise is one of the things I do on my daily routine. So, but yeah, I'm gonna keep this a little bit shorter. I usually go at least 20 minutes. I'm going to do my best to keep this at no more than 10 minutes. Okay. So, Power Lead System, like I said, I started it in April of 2015. I didn't really do much with it. I was just a customer. And I wasn't a customer, I was an affiliate, but I wasn't using the affiliate program really. I wasn't tapping into the compensation plan. I was using the training. I was using the tools provided, and I was off doing other things. It wasn't until late September 2017, I decided to take this thing seriously, really tap into the compensation plan, and I was able to create a full-time income within a few months by doing so. Now, I'm going to go over just a few of the principles I have followed to do so, but if you want a more detailed report, what I'll do is I'll put a little card in here. I go in complete detail in many other videos about what Power Lead System is, what you want to do to be successful with Power Lead System. In fact, I just did a video the other day, last week, where I went over the 7 steps or principles or keys, whatever you want to call it, to be successful online. And I'll make sure I add that as well, so you can check that out as well, because that is what I've followed. All right. So I'm just going to jump right into it. So last night, I'll move this over here. Last night I had a $1,000 commission come in at 10:17 p.m. Let's just jump right over to Power Lead System. Power Lead System, like I said, marketing tools, training platform. I have another video where I'll pop in here so you can check that out. But I'm just going to jump right over to the commissions earned. Understand these are all products. These are all training products, digital products that are going to help you build your business, help you with your marketing, help you make more money no matter what you're doing. But as you can see right now, as we sit today, and the week started over on Sunday, I'm at $1,440. Okay, so let's break it down real quick. I have the gold commissions. This is my residual income. There's only one residual level in Power Lead System, and that's $53.97 a month. And that pays you $20 residual income per customer, per person that comes into your business. And you make 50% matching bonus on whatever they earn. So if they earn $1,000, you earn $500. If they earn $2,000, you earn $1,000. Doing nothing. Imagine if you have a number of those people that are going out, going to work, following the training, and making things happen. That could really start adding up. Okay. I had a Master Traffic Institute sale. That's $1,000 right there. Those really make a difference. Obviously, $1,000 commissions are nothing to laugh at. I mean, this is life-changing income right here. This could really change a lot of people's lives. I remember just the other day, this is Tuesday, June 26th. On Sunday, our team had a training, and one of the questions asked was, how many of you would like to make $500, just an extra $500 to $1,000 a month? And just basically everybody said yes. Just basically everybody said yes. So imagine if you could do that weekly. I've been doing that weekly since January of this year, first of this year, 2018. I haven't had below $1,000 come in a week from Power Lead System. That's because I just follow the principles, follow a proven plan, and I stay consistent. Okay, that's all that is. So that's that week. Okay, so this is this week so far. And as you're going to see, this week is actually better than last week. Last week was one of my worst weeks I've had in a very long time, but it was still over $1,000. The average online for people in online business is 2 sales for their whole career. Their whole career. So I can tell you firsthand, when I first started, I've been online for 6 years, 6+ years now. My first 2 years was miserable. I didn't know what I was doing, but I definitely got more than 2 sales, I'll tell you that. But I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't make hardly any money. It was bad. Okay, so this is having over 1,000 in a week. That's huge. You know, that's a big deal, and that's one of my lower weeks. That's one of my lower weeks. So as you can see, I did 580. Remember, it's 53.97, 580 residual, right? 50% match. That comes in pretty much regardless. 260, 250 for the diamond level. Okay, that's a 147 one-time payment, pays you $100 over and over. 400, I had a Social Profit Academy sale. That was $400. That's 497 one time, pays you $400 over and over at $50 overrides. And then I didn't have any Master Traffic Institute sales or anything like that. Okay, so let me jump over here real quick. And again, previous videos, I have so many. I've tracked this the whole time. I've been doing this the whole time. I've been doing this so you can see my journey. You can see where I started. You can see where I'm at now. And I'm very transparent. I show you exactly what I do. I want you to make an educated choice, you know, a decision to better your life, if this is something you want to do. I can tell you this, though. For many people, Power Leads is their fallback. It's where they come back to because they know it's stable, they know it pays on time, and they know it's consistent. Unlike a lot of the other programs out there that kind of fly by night, they don't always pay you. Believe me, I've been there, done that. I have the t-shirt to show it. But basically here is how the levels look. When you come in, when you click the link below and you get started, it's a 7-day free trial. You're going to start at the gold level. What you want to do is you want to become an affiliate. So now that's going to allow you to earn commissions with the compensation plan. And that's going to be, and you're going to have access to basically all the tools. And then most of the training, aside from these higher level products, you will not have access to those until you get those products. Okay. Then we have the diamond. Like I said, it's 147 one time, pays you 100 over and over. We have Social Profit Academy. It's 497, pays you 400 over and over. And of course, the big dog, Master Traffic Institute, 1497 one time, pays you over and over $1,000. Okay, over and over. All right, so 1550 a customer is your potential up front, but of course that doesn't include the 50% match. That doesn't include any pass-ups. That doesn't include any of the bonuses, any of the overrides. So as you can see, you can do very, very well with this program without too much effort. So what do I do to earn the Power Lead system? It's going to keep this short. I use a funnel. We have done for you funnels, done for you in the sense that we didn't put together the funnel. Okay, we didn't write the copy, we didn't make the page. This was already done. We're using pre-done funnels, and the funnel just consists of a capture page, a website where information is exchanged. So you capture someone's information, their email. It then goes to a sales page. Here you have a sales page. The sales page is going to do the telling and selling for you. This works 24/7, 365 days a year. No matter what you're doing, it works for you as long as you are getting people to your page, to your website. And then the next process is the follow-up process. And there are already pre-written emails that go out on your behalf. But as you get more knowledgeable and more skilled, you will want to start personalizing those and being a real person, okay? Letting people know who you are, telling your story, because that's really where you shine. That's really where people start really wanting to work with you and so forth. So the main focus, if you want to create a full-time income and you want to do it relatively fast, maybe you're watching this video right now and you're like, man, I could really use an extra $1,000 a month. Okay, now that's not a full-time income, but that will help a ton of people. That will take care of a car payment. That will help with a mortgage. That will buy you some free time, right? But if you want to make a full-time income, but we'll just leave it at, let's say $1,000 a month, extra $1,000 a month. All right, let's just go here. You want to purchase as many of these products as you possibly can. You want to position yourself to make the most money because all you're focusing on is this: get people to your funnel, free paid traffic. Get them to your sales page, which they'll go to right after they go here. and then follow up. And that's all you're really focusing on. That's all I do. I don't do anything else. I just focus on this, allow this to happen, and then just follow up, educate, show results, prove progress results, and plug them into our group. We have a fantastic group with all kinds of training, and I'll just break that down real quick. So if you're a brand new person, if you've been struggling to make money online, even if you're a veteran, we have this could really do some great things for you. But I really want to focus on those that are new and struggling. My recommendation is this. You want to first become an affiliate, of course, but you definitely want to at least minimum do whatever you can to get to diamond. So that is $53.97 plus the free ad secrets for $147, $100. So that's what that's going to do is pay you $100 commissions over and over, position to earn more money, and it's going to unlock. So our team has some different bonuses. We do a 90-day blitz where we teach you exactly what to do, hold you by the hand, basically walk you through step by step exactly what to do to build your business, how to market. This is taught by a six-figure earner. So this is it's free. It's free. You're just purchasing the products in Power Lead System, and you get access to it as a bonus with our team. Okay, when you join, click the link right below and get started with me. I'll get you plugged into that if you're at the diamond level. Now, we are going to increase that to the Social Profit Academy level because of the value being offered is really worth way, way, way more than just this level. Okay. Now, I also have a private group myself where I do training. I give you all my resources. It's my baby. It's what I do. I don't hold anything back. I tell you exactly what I do to build my business. I share with you the routine I follow on a daily basis in there. I do live training. I answer questions. I mean, it's everything you could ever need. So you get that, you get the blitz, and you get access to my group as well. And again, that's just a bonus. It has nothing to do with Power Lead System. That's just a bonus you get when you join with me, want to work with me, partner with me. That's just a bonus you get because, for one thing, my background is teaching. I like to teach. I like to take people from basically zero and help them reach their goals. This is what I like to do. Before I was a personal trainer, same idea. I take people from being completely out of shape to being in great shape, feeling great, looking great. And that's what I like to do online as well. I do the same exact thing. I love teaching. I love coaching, helping, mentoring, all that stuff. That's what I like to do. That's what makes my day. So when I get people that are teachable, that are ready to run, it's just a great thing for me. I really love helping and seeing people succeed. I personally think way too many people are struggling online. A lot of it is self-inflicted, unfortunately, but that is how it is, Anyway, that's all I'm going to say for today. I hope you got value. Be sure to click the link right below, leadsareflowing.com. Check it out. Get that 7-day free trial. Get in there, get plugged into our training. Like I said, free ad secrets, gold and free ad secrets is where you want to be to get our training. Make the decision to make this a success. Okay. There's no try. There's only do. Make it happen. Focus. That's really where it has to be. But yeah. And also be sure to watch. I'm going to put it right after this video. Stay tuned. And there's going to be a little video that pops up. And it's going to say 7 steps to success online or something like that, right? In your home business. Watch that video because I go over the 7 steps. And I think that's really going to be a great value to you. Those are the steps. Those are the keys that I have followed to create a full-time income online. Those are the keys, okay? So with that, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.